There are tens of thousands of people making thousands per month selling products as a side hustle. From starting your own brand, becoming an Amazon influencer, drop shipping, there are so many ways, but moving into 2026, what products are actually going to be making money? And which ones are just a flash in the pan? Our clients have made hundreds of thousands of dollars selling products that are in our database. Today, I'm going to show you my top products in our database this week that are set to blow up in 2026. That is going to save you dozens of hours of research and thousands of dollars of testing. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about metabolic patches. It's a topical supplement designed to help the body's metabolism and energy expenditure. Applied directly to the skin, this patch delivers active ingredients like L-carnitine, green tea extract, caffeine, steadily over time. It's targeted at health-conscious consumers looking for a more accessible way to integrate supplement consumption into their lives. Plus, there's something about putting stickers on your skin that really just pleases your inner child. So let's look at why this one is so promising. This one is set to explode, but right now it's only raking in a little over $6,000 per month, which is a huge opportunity. The average price is around $20, which is perfect for an impulse purchase, which means you don't have to spend a lot on your ads. Brands like Kind Patches and the Patch Remedy offer subscription discounts as well. At 3.9 stars, this one has decent reviews. Ideally, you want something above 4 stars, but because of the overall signals on this product, I don't think it's going to matter that much yet. The search volume for this one is still super low. This is a great signal. You don't want something that's too mainstream that everybody already knows about. The big brands are already going to be capitalizing on those trends. Search growth on this one has blown up 6,700%. So why is this one set to blow up? To put it simply, they're growing right now because they tap into this trend for effortless wellness. This movement where people want visible health results without complicated routines or invasive treatments. There's also been a huge boom in transdermal delivery tech, and of course the viral TikTok claims about faster metabolism and appetite suppression obviously taps into that weight loss market that is always booming. Combined with this post-GLP-1 weight loss wave, many see patches as a cheaper, more accessible alternative to these injections and supplements. GLP-1s can cost as much as $500, $600 per month. Solutions like this offer a more accessible route to weight loss. Next up is the 8-bit Ultimate Controller. It's a high-performance, multi-platform controller designed for multiple devices. Multi-platform gamers, as well as those on a budget, will definitely be your target audience. The controller aims to be the best of both worlds, versatile, with an impressive spec list, and of course, affordable. So, let's take a look at the signals that make this one great. First off, revenue. It's already pulling in over $65K a month. And just look at that hockey stick growth. Price point, yes, it's a tech product. It's going to be a little bit more than your average beauty product, but it's important to look at price points subjectively. Compared to other gaming and tech products, this one is super cheap, just over $50. To give you another example of this, the light that you see on the wall behind me was around $50. Now, for a videographer who normally spends thousands and thousands on equipment because it's expensive, this was a super easy impulse buy. That's how you should be looking at this controller. Now, again, with review scores, you want to be looking at things that are above 4 stars. And this one, 4.5 from nearly 500 reviews, which does point to this one is set to continue growing. I always mention reviews as a sign of trend longevity, and it's because more than 80% of consumers trust these reviews like they would a recommendation from family or friends, depending on how reliable your family is. Now, there's under 5,000 monthly searches for this product, so it's still way below mainstream, which gives you a perfect opportunity to sell or market this one before the big brands do. The search growth has also been explosive for this one in the past 5 years. Plus, there are 2 versions of this controller out, which has helped sustain that growth. So to zoom out a bit, what do you need to know about this industry so that you can continue making money on products like this? Well, this year and next year, the 8-bit controller is getting this renewed popularity because a standout Tech Radar update confirming it continues to top their best Nintendo Switch controllers, with people praising its quality even years post-launch. At the same time, 8-bit Do's Ultimate 2 model has been a hit, which has kept the Ultimate line trending via refreshed excitement and accessibility. Retro gaming tech is coming back at an alarming rate, so this is your chance to capitalize on this movement and sell this product. Now let's take a look at ceramide body lotion. It's the type of body moisturizer made with ceramides, the naturally occurring lipids essential for maintaining healthier skin barrier. They lock in hydration, they prevent dryness, and they repair the skin's protective layer. Your target audience here is going to be women with dry, irritated, or barrier-compromised skin. Now, my wife loves all these different types of specific moisturizers, but she always keeps one like this as her baseline. It is very important for many people to have something like this in their shelf every single day. Now to look at the signals. This one has got nearly $400,000 per month in revenue, which means there is plenty of revenue to go around. This average $16 price is super low, which makes it a great impulse purchase, especially when you consider how expensive skincare can get. People are dropping loads of money on these skincare sets, so something like this is a no-brainer. And I can tell you my wife specifically buys ceramide body lotion to use on her face because it ends up being significantly cheaper at the same quality. Speaking of quality, people clearly notice because this one has already got 4.6 out of 5 stars, which is an ideal product rating. Now, the search growth has been steady but rising, 9,000% in the past 5 years. That means this one is not slowing down. The consistency tells you that people are constantly looking for this product, so it's much less likely this one's going to fizzle out by the time you sell it. Zooming out a bit, why is this one trending? What can you learn from this industry so that you can make money on more skincare products in the future? This one is so big right now because dermatologists are spotlighting ceramides for their popular barrier repair and hydration benefits. There's also this huge shift towards clean, multifunctional skincare products, which has boosted online visibility and Ecom sales through formulation and influencer marketing. So, if you are going to market this one, I highly suggest using influencer marketing, UGC. If you can't afford any influencers or paying a lot of UGC creators, check out our last video on trending marketing tools. There are some in there that are really going to help you create this content on the cheap using AI. Now we're going to look at glass skincare sets. It's basically a bundle of skincare products that are designed to achieve this coveted K-beauty glass skin effect. Skin that looks ultra smoothed, even toned, and dewy. This kit would include most of what you'd need for a typical skincare routine like cleanser, toner, SPF. It's targeted at Gen Z and millennials, hugely influenced by K-beauty and TikTok. Now my favorite part, the data. $200,000 in revenue every single month just for this product, which makes sense because one product is actually several products. The average price of this one really depends on the brand, but you can say on average it's around $50. Because your face is something you're constantly aware of, especially somebody like me who is always on camera, it's pretty easy to see if a skincare product is for you or not and then leave a review. So, for a skincare product like this that receives a ton of mixed reviews on average, this one has 4.3 out of 5 stars, which is really, really solid. Now, the search volume, you don't want to be super high because we want to get in there before the big brands do so you can actually make some money off this product. This one still has a super low search volume. That's perfect for you. Plus a massive search growth of over 99x in the past 2 years alone, you can really see that this product is exploding. So let's zoom out and understand how you can make money on this industry as a whole and spot the next products. In 2025 and 2026, these are really trending because people want that reflective, poreless glow without heavy coverage. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels are fueling this craze with viral before and after videos, while K-beauty brands are bundling these multi-step routines. If you are going to be selling this one in 2026, do make sure that you get some influencer UGC, whether you're creating it yourself using AI avatars or creating it with actual influencers. Before and after videos are going to be your saving grace. That's what's going to make you money on these products. Showing results is always going to be the most effective strategy. If you like this video, if you want videos on more trending products that you can sell in 2026, or you want to stay up to date on specific trends in an industry like beauty, tech, comment below what you want to see, and I'll make a video just for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.